Today is an open house to learn all about the new and burgeoning partnership that Marshall University and BridgeValley Community Technical College have together. We're going to focus today's very first activity on the articulation signing for our business programs, and that will be a launch into a larger open house where we will also talk about the RBA program and our ability to collaborate on that, as well as our nursing program and students' ease of transferability into those areas.
As the Dean of the College of Business, I'm delighted that we are able to forge a partnership that encompasses all the 10 majors from the Lewis College of Business, which includes, as you know, accounting, finance, marketing, management information systems, entrepreneurship, healthcare management, energy management, and so on. And all these programs will be now articulated directly with BridgeValley so that students can do 2 years of their coursework in BridgeValley and then transfer seamlessly into the College of Business at Marshall.
This is great for those individuals who are more place-bound, and those individuals who are in a more non-traditional pathway, who may already be settled, may be working, may have a family issue already. This would allow them to be more stationary but still have that Marshall experience.